Have you ever been working in a team where you explain to someone how to do a process just for them to forget how to do that process the next time they talk to you? Lucky for you, I found a solution. So iMean.tech is a really nice, intelligent user guide that is automated and is a free Chrome extension that you can get right now, link in the description, where basically, if you want to show someone how to do anything that is within any Chromium browser, you can show them step-by-step how to do it, and this software will capture the entire process for you. So I already have the extension, and basically what you do after you log in is press create right here. And it is in the capture mode. So once I'm done, I can press this check mark and I can press pause during any step of this, and I can undo or restart at any point as well. So for example, I work with someone on my team that is a member of my podcast. Say I want to delegate the task of doing recurring tasks in Notion to him. What I can do is have this entire thing be recorded. So the first step would be he needs to go to the Rise Productive section here, and then he would need to go to the calendar, and then he would need to untick the recurring task framework, go to Dimitri, figure out what week it is for me. So let's pretend that it is a sales funnels week. He needs to untoggle that, and then what he needs to do is take each of these and press a plus sign, and the entirety of that process will have been captured. Then the last thing he needs to do is copy all these, and then the last few things he needs to do is drag these here and then drag the rest of these through Thursday. And every single time I do one of these, it will capture it, and then once I press finish here, it'll bring me to my iMean workspace. And then it'll walk through the entire process. So when I scroll through all of this, it'll show what it is step by step. It'll zoom at where I need to go to click, and then it'll keep doing that throughout the entire process, which is a really nice way for anybody to go through this. And I feel like Chance will probably enjoy the fact that he gets to see every single step of this process and see exactly what he has to do. There's no ambiguity here. If it is within the platform, it'll show you what to do. Now, if we look here, this shows the drag part here, and it has the entirety of that section description showcase. So it tells me a lot of different things. So if I actually want to edit this, so what I can do is delete this and change the name to drag to Sunday. Looking back, it actually did capture dragging all these, so I can just remove this and just change the name to drag to Sunday. And then the rest of these steps can be renamed as well as drag sales funnel creation to Monday to Tuesday. So what I could name this one overall is recurring tasks walkthrough, and I could add any sort of descriptions that I wanted. So I could put go to Rise Productive Hub in Notion, change this to click calendar emoji, and then explain on the synced header, the planning page in Rise Productive is a calendar emoji. Click that to get to the recurring tasks. And then I could once again keep explaining and then untoggle recurring tasks framework. And then at any point in this, I can explain with a description what exactly the different clicks are doing. And one of the really cool things you can do after you press this check mark and save it successfully is walk me through. By pressing this walk me through button, I can actually go into each step of this process in a row. So upon pressing it, it immediately sent me to the Notion page that I had in the iMean recording. And first it'll tell me to click Rise Productive, so go to the Rise Productive Hub in Notion. And as you can see, it's really nice that it shows a screenshot and a description and title to go all along with it. So click calendar emoji. On the synced header, the planning page in Rise Productive is a calendar emoji. Click that to get to recurring tasks. Okay, cool, I can see that. And then on the next one, untoggle recurring task framework. Okay, let's go here. What I need to do. Okay, next, open Dimitri's recurring tasks. Okay, that is open. We can go to next. Open week toggle block. Each week, there's a different toggle block you'll need to untick in order for this process to work based on the monthly task framework that can be referenced below. Okay, so this explains to the person exactly how and why they would choose one of these different toggle blocks in the week option. So I'm gonna untoggle that, okay? And then click Saturday template button. This will populate recurring tasks for Saturday, Sunday. So then that happened. Click Monday template button. This will populate recurring tasks for Monday. And if I press next, you can see that it actually does the action when I press next. Click this, will populate what's for Tuesday. And that populated the Tuesday template button without me even pressing it. So this will populate the next recurring task for Wednesday. It pressed it, and then once again, it'll do the same thing for Thursday and Friday. So now it's telling me drag recurring task to Sunday. So please scroll up on the screen. Drag recurring task for Saturday through Sunday to Sunday this week. Okay, so I'm gonna do that. Drag that here. Drag recurring task created Monday for this week. If I do the exact same thing again, and take this guy and press next, and it'll go through the entirety of this and tell me on each different day where to drag those. And that's the amazing part about the walk me through feature. You aren't only able to record it and have them see the step-by-step process in this section, but you're able to have them get walked through it as if you were the one giving the tutorial. You can share these workflows with anybody, and say if I copy this and go to a new window, paste this, you can choose to walk me through it, or you can just go through each step as well. This is something that I'm definitely going to be using in the future with the people that I work with. This is much easier than me going through and doing a tutorial and then basically recording extra videos to show other people how to do things. I find this a little bit more simple. I think a lot of companies can benefit from this. I'd like to thank iMean for reaching out to show me this video and for sponsoring it. Make sure to click the link down below to get it. And if you want to see how you can improve your productivity even more, check out this video right here for that.